Have you ever wondered where the name Kotlin came from? It's actually quite a fascinating story, and it all starts on this small island you can see on the screen. Kotlin Island is located near St. Petersburg, Russia, which is where the JetBrains, a software development company, based on. It is the place where team at JetBrains, a software development company, obviously drew inspiration for the name of their programming language. But why choose the name Kotlin? Well, according to JetBrains, the name comes from the Kotlin language itself. Kotlin means island or islands. But where does the word Kotlin come from? It actually has its roots in the Old Norse language, which was spoken by Vikings who traveled to this area around St. Petersburg. The Vikings referred to this area as ketal-ey, which means cat islands in Old Norse. Over time, the name evolved to become Kotlin, which became the name of the nearby island. When the team at JetBrains was looking for a name for their programming language, they wanted something unique and memorable, so they decided to pay tribute to their roots by naming the language Kotlin after the nearby island. And so the name Kotlin was born. Today, the language, which is used by millions of developers around the world and is known for its simplicity, efficiency, and ease of use. It's amazing to think that a small island off the coast of Russia could inspire a programming language used by so many. The story reminds us that sometimes the most unexpected origins can lead to the most exciting outcomes. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed learning about the surprising origin of the name Kotlin.